What's up everybody, Cashflow Kris here. As you can see, we are at another new construction job. Very excited to be getting this one going. So as you can see, the house behind us, this house, we built this one, I don't know, finished it about 8 months ago. Got a pretty decent price on it. Not exactly what we were looking for, a little bit short. So we decided to, instead of making the exact same house, we are creating one that's just a little bit bigger. The house next door was 1560 square feet. This one's gonna be right around 1800 square feet. We believe that's gonna be able to have us bounce our price up just a little bit. So I wanted to go over kind of the steps involved and where we're at on this one. So as you can see here, we have a bunch of plumbing popped out, and then you can see they have some frames coming in. So where we're at is we had to first of all do the underground plumbing, and what we did was sewer is right here in the alleyway. We tapped into the water, we tapped into the sewer, and so now we have all of our underground utilities popped up. Okay, if you see there's a little bit of a yellow tag on the big pole there, that means that we passed underground plumbing. So the next steps here, as you can see, they're leveling out the dirt. They're putting up the frames for concrete. So being able to know how high the concrete goes, you have to have your the survey done, and then you will have someone come and they set what's called a pin. The pin hits the height of the floor, and it's very important to reduce flooding and stuff like that. So as you can see here, we are at the base of a mountain. So a lot of water would come down this way. So if you have a property that's too low, you could definitely have some flooding. So you can see the top of the frames is where the floor level is going to be. So it's going to be quite a bit above the ground level. So we did have to bring in some extra dirt here just to make sure that we could raise everything up appropriately. So this one is flying. Very excited to see this one. We're working on another one that's just about 4 blocks away, so it makes it real easy for these guys to move back and forth. So we do the concrete on this one, and then we're doing this next one. So, you know, we're just keeping everything in line. So I'm excited to see what happens with this one. I will definitely be bringing you guys more information. When we do concrete, I'll be out here. When we do framing, I'll be out here. So if you have any questions, definitely reach out. And I hope you enjoyed this video. We're going to be having a lot more of them.